Welcome everyone, this is Tech Pro. Today is June 13th and this is an iPhone 6 with a very shattered screen. I had a little bend in it as well, which I already fixed. But I'm going to go ahead and replace the screen, put a tempered glass on it, and that's what we're going to be doing with this one today. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and then show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 8 minutes and 44 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 6 screen. So as I always say, if we can't do it in under 20 minutes, then it's free. Make sure that you check out our website. If you need an iPhone repair, unlock, we do tutorials on Final Cut Pro, Photoshop, even Mac and iOS devices. Again, make sure you check out our website. I'll leave a link in the description below as well. And feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And also share the video on social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We truly appreciate that. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll be back shortly with more videos. See you guys soon.